हडफडेच्या बर्च बाय रोमिओ लेन क्लबाच्या उजो प्रकरणातल्या दोन मुख्य दुबावित आदलो सरपंच रोशन रेडकर आणि बडतर्फ पंचायत सचिव रघुवीर बाक्करांची म्हापसा न्यायालयान सशर्त जामिनाचेर सुटका केली। तांकां 50,000 रुपयांची हमी तशेंच हेर अटींचेर जामीन मेळ्ळा। बर्च बाय रोमिओ लेन क्लबाक उजो लागिल्ल्या प्रकरणात हे दोगूय जाण मुखेल दुबावित आशिल्ल्यान दोगूय न्यायालयान बंदखणीत आशिल्ले।
Secretary of Village Panchayat Arpora, the conditions not to leave India without permission and to cooperate. And investigation they support us. So we are happy we work as a team. Advocate Saudagar has nicely argued the matter. Advocate Joanna has supported the case, and we work as a team and we have achieved our goals. 1 month he is inside, but we have seen it.
We had moved an application for bail for our client, that is Mr. Roshan Redkar. Today was the order. Order is passed. He has been granted bail on furnishing surety of 50,000 and along with some other conditions.